transformative, humbling, and grounding.
Transcendental, transformative, divine.
It's a very profound experience.
Everyone has to do this. Everyone must experience, behold it.
It's just incredible, really.
The retreat has been life-changing for me.
Life-changing.
Tilled the soil, because essentially that's what it did for me.
Life-changing.
Way beyond expectations.
One with life.
Mind-blowing.
Truth, love, God.
I can honestly say it was one of the most transformative and magical experiences I've ever had.